In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Nvidia overlay not showing FPS and displaying in A. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up yourself the Nvidia app. And what you're going to want to do after it does load, once it does load, go ahead and find the settings option on the left-hand sidebar over here and go specifically into the features tab up at the very top. Scroll down and find Nvidia overlay, and what you're going to want to do is toggle it off, wait a second, and then toggle it back on. Sometimes that alone is going to refresh that FPS counter. If it is still showing NA though, what you're going to want to do is go to this Windows search bar down here and type in services, just like so, and open up the services tab, which is going to look something like this. And from here, scroll down on this option until you do find Nvidia. It is going to be alphabetically ordered, so just scroll down, you'll see it down here. But look specifically for the Frame View SDK service, just like so, and double click it to open up a page. It looks like this. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic right here, and make sure the service status is running. If it isn't running, just simply go ahead and hit start, hit apply, and then hit OK. After that, go ahead and close everything and restart your PC. But once your PC does reboot, the FPS overlay should now be fixed and no longer show NA. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.